Okay, you will remember in yesterday's video I was saying how I was concerned that possibly I may not have gone far enough with my gray, but I can clearly see now that I did. Let's see, I think this goes like this. Yeah, I can clearly see that I did. Alright, I was afraid I didn't go enough this way. Okay, good news. Now I can just go ahead and start masking here today. I think that for the most part, I'm going to be able to keep the spray off the deck. Now I do realize that there's going to be places like the overhangs over the little doorways and windows and hatches and what have you. I'm going to have to touch that up with a brush. No question about it. But otherwise, I think it's probably going to be okay. Well, let's see what we got. Well, it turned out pretty good, I think. Spray it all along the edges here. Okay, well, this one worked good. We'll do the other one the same way. Now remember, I did mention I was going to have to do some touch-ups later, like over the doors. Like there's a little door there, some sort of a little, I guess, rain protector, or who knows what that is. Well, this obviously shouldn't be the same color as the deck, so I'm going to have to take a little brush and, just touch these up. There's quite a few of them, actually. I am about to do something here that has become a really bad habit, and that is I'm laying my tape down on a surface where it could pick up little hairs and fuzzies and what have you. What's the use of having a nice sharp tape if it's going to have a whole bunch of little fuzzies on the side of it to spoil the edge? Well, as you can see, I did not cut this piece any too long. Well, here we go again. About half an hour has passed now. Oh, I'm going to do a little touch up here. Looks like the paint got pulled away. That's the first time I've experienced that. Now I don't know if I scratched it with something when I was removing the tape, or if the tape adhered to the paint and pulled it away because there's no primer underneath. Quite possibly because there's no primer underneath. Now there's another bad habit I got to break, and that is I've got to remember to stop touching things with the end of these tweezers. They're actually just like needles. Guess you can hear I got my door propped open. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. All right. The paint didn't come off. That was some gray that was laying on top of there. Funny, I didn't notice that. Guess the old eyes ain't what they used to be. Okay, I haven't done anything like this since I made the Titanic. This may take 2 coats. You know, you could probably see me shaking a lot better if I had the macro lens on. Well, I might not need 2 coats. Now, don't get me wrong. I am enjoying very much learning how to use the airbrush, but I had forgotten just how much fun doing this is. You just kind of make yourself really, really small, sort of, which is difficult for me. And, yeah, you just sort of put yourself into a miniature world here. I was outside a few minutes ago and I brought the garbage and recycle bins up from the street. And yeah, today's garbage day, just like yesterday was pizza day. Anyway, I was noticing that there's just a small patch of snow underneath the car, and one wheel's got snow under it and all the rest don't. So yeah, kind of makes a guy feel good. That is, if you're hating winter, it makes you feel good. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.